If you are a city, municipality, or water district, American Machine Conveyor, AMC for short, is a national leader that specializes in the design and manufacture of outdoor water sample stations that are durable and can withstand harsh conditions and bad weather. They also specialize in manufacturing cold weather water sample systems that can withstand freezing temperatures. AMC manufactures the only water sampling station that comes with wind guards and a lid that doubles as a rain guard and a shelf capable of holding up to 35 pounds. They can be made with 194 different colors to choose from to match any environment or surrounding. With their line of water sampling stations used by municipalities and water districts around the U.S. to assure water quality collecting from designated sampling points, it's now easier, giving you confidence in the quality of the water sample. Call AMC right now, 805-642-9924.